Login failed on TaxAct App Fix. You open the TaxAct app to finish your return or check your refund and suddenly, you see login failed. It's a frustrating moment, but the surprising truth is that this problem often comes from small technical issues, not your account itself. Let's fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. TaxAct requires a secure and stable connection to access sensitive data. If you're on weak Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or toggle airplane mode for a quick reset. Next, update your app. Open your App Store or Google Play, search TaxAct and hit update if an option appears. Outdated versions can cause login issues due to new security patches. Then, manually enter your credentials. Don't rely on autofill. Most people get this wrong because saved passwords might be outdated or contain hidden formatting errors. If your password doesn't work, use Forgot Password to reset it quickly. If the issue persists, clear your app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, TaxAct Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app to remove corrupted temporary data that could be blocking your login. Also, disable your PIN or ad blocker if you're using one. TaxAct security system may reject logins from masked or foreign IP addresses to protect your personal information. Finally, if all else fails, log in through the TaxAct website. If it doesn't work there either, the issue is likely with their servers. In that case, just wait a few minutes before trying again. So, when you see login failed on the TaxAct app, don't worry. It's usually a quick fix. Check your network, update your app, re-enter your login details, clear cache, and turn off your phone. With these easy steps, you'll be back on track to finishing your tax return without missing a beat.